sec.
Go.
Okay.
Whoop, or not.
Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go touch of your skin, feeling silky, smooth, hot. You're going to step across. Color of cafe au lait. You fan yourself and stick your butt out. All right. And then you stick your butt out again. Savage beast. You go down inside, around, roars, till he cries. You turn around, your arm goes up. More. The other arm up goes up. More. You put both down. More. 2, go. 3 and 4 and jump. Jump. You're going to step, or put your arms up. Doing 9. You roll your head to the front. To 5. You flash a 5, I guess. Then you're going to step, living the gray, you rock back. Flannel, you rock back. Live, and you stick out your letters, because we'll be wearing letters. And then, so when they turn off the light, memories creep. You're going to step on your left foot. More. You're going to step on your right foot and put your arms out. More. Then you're going to bring them both up. More. Hit. Ha. Ha. You're going to go getcha, getcha. Step in. Ya. Step out. Ya. And then around. Da, da. Then you're going to go right, left, right on getcha, getcha. Ya, ya. And then you're going to come over up here. You're going to step back with your left foot and stick your right arm out. Mocha, choka, lata, yaya. You stick, put your hands like here and you roll your butt to the back to the front. Yaya. You step Creo. You push it up, lady. And then marmalade.
Yeah.
Yay.
And get it hot, ladies.